Hello everyone, I'm Coco Sherelle and this is my channel Bling and Air. Today's video, I have two cute items that will be getting a royal decorating upgrade fit for a little queen. One of the items is this wand that has a pretty pinkish purplish glass crystal ball at the top. And the other is this beautiful lavender soft velvet hooded cloak cape. This cape and wand will be personalized and embellished with crystals and rhinestones. So if you would like to see how I gave these items the royal treatment, keep watching. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for clicking this video. Hopefully you like what you see and hit that like and subscribe button to be part of the Bling family. For my returning viewers and Bling family, it's always a pleasure to have you tune in. Now y'all don't forget to hit that like button also because you already know it's going to be another beauty. So I went ahead and pressed the cape so that I have a smooth surface to work on. And I already print cut the little queen's name on my Cameo silhouette machine. I will be doing a layered effect with the white and the silver glitter heat transfer vinyl. This is how the layer effect will look. So right here, I'm prepping the cape for her name. This process takes a lot of back and forth measuring because it has to be centered and still visible when her hood is down. To do the layer effect, I first iron the base HTV, which is the white glitter, onto the cape. Once that's adhered properly, I then peel off the plastic covering and place the second HTV, which is the silver glitter, directly on top of the white glitter, and I will repeat with the iron process. Little Queen Zuri layer name is complete and it's time to continue with the royal design. I will be using some of the 6-foot roll of rhinestone trim to cover around the entire edge of this cape. Now the rhinestone trim is hot fixed, which means it will bond with fabric when heat is applied. So I'm using a regular standard iron to adhere the trim to the cape. You can also use a mini iron or a heat press. They will work as well. I'm also using a thin pillowcase so that the rhinestones don't stick to my iron because it has happened before to me in the past. So I'm done using the rhinestone trim to cover the entire edge of the cape. But now I'm going to go in with some of my rhinestone rope to do some more embellishing. Using E6000 glue, I'm adding some rhinestone rope to the hood. Now I always make sure that I'm in a well-ventilated area or using my respirator mask when I'm using this glue. I had some extra rhinestone buckle pieces, so I added them to the cape, putting one at the beginning of each tie string and securing it with glue on the back. Now it's time for some individual crystals. I'll be covering Zuri's name with white diamond crystals, but first I added another rhinestone buckle to embellish the dot in the letter I. Rhinestone crystals adhere very well to the texture glitter HTV using E6000 glue. Because of all the embellishments added to this cape cloak, the best way to take care of it is to spot clean, soak, and hand wash. Never put inside the dryer, always hang dry. Adding the rhinestone crystals to her name definitely upgraded this design to royal status. For this part of the design, I'm adding crystals to the entire cape in a polka dot scattered pattern. I'm just about finished with the cape. Off camera, I did add some lavender resin half pearls. It really did add to the royal look, and you will see very shortly how it all turned out. Now it's time to embellish the wand. The wand was already pretty, but you know I had to upgrade it. The glass ball on the top was very wobbly and it came right off. I'm glad it came off in my hand and not little Queen Zuri's. I went ahead and properly secured it back on with Gorilla Glue before adding any embellishments. I'm adding rhinestone trim to the entire length of the wand. This is going to dramatically change the look to royal status. Y'all know I love me some Loctite glue, but unfortunately I ran out and I had to use my Gorilla Glue. It worked perfect and it got the job done securely. I'm just about finished with this one. I did off camera add some individual rhinestones right underneath that crystal ball, and you'll see coming up very shortly and the finished look. Stay tuned, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, Her Highness Zori's royal cloak, cape, and wand is complete. Dripping in rhinestone crystals and pearls, it's truly fit for a little queen. Hey guys, so what do you all think about this royal cape and wand? Like, I think this is so pretty and it's absolutely adorable. Like, I know I'm dramatic and I know this little girl is going to love playing dress up in this. Guys, tell me if you think your little princess or your little queen will love something like this. As you see, I added the lavender half of pearls and it added dimension to the cape and it really made the overall look beautiful. Thank you all for watching my video. I really do hope you enjoyed it. You're here with me this far. Why not give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel? It is absolutely free. I'm on Instagram and my page is Blinginaire, just like this YouTube channel. My SD website will be in the description section below for anyone that is interested in placing an order. I'm really happy with how the wand came out. Doesn't it look magical and enchanting? And the added crystals underneath the ball just ties in the whole look. Once again, thank you all for watching, and until next time, I hope you have a bright and blessed day. Bye.